Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Fina, and if you are not subscribed yet, please hit that subscribe button, and if you are already, thank you for coming back. It's really appreciated. So as you guys can tell from the title, this is the Makartt. I think this is from their fall collection. They sent this to me and I'm so thankful. Yes, it's their 2020 fall and winter collection. It's called Life of a Rose. It's from Makartt. Yeah, they sent this to me. It's my first PR package, so I was definitely excited about it. So yeah, I was asked to create just a set using this, so I'm like, sure, why not? It shouldn't be that hard. So I've actually never worked with gel, like made a full set out of gel, but yeah, we're gonna see how this turns out. LOL. I'm trying not to swear in this video. Yeah, so when you first open this package, it looks like a card. It's like your nail lab. Actually, if you check on the side, it says your nail lab in a box, because it really is. It has everything in here that you need to create a full set. So yeah, so I'm just gonna try using everything in here to prep my nails, to do everything that is required to complete a full set. So it just came with this card, my name. I don't mind showing you guys my name because my name's like all over my stuff anyways. Yeah, you guys can follow them on Facebook, YouTube, and Instagram. They don't have a Twitter or a Snap. I will have all of that down below in the description box. Yeah, so in the kit, okay, first of all, if you see one hand with a glove, this hat, I have to have a glove on it because I'm trying to take the nails off on this one. It's so hard, but I'm going to do the full set on this hand just to show you guys. So the first thing is, I'm gonna try to pull this out. Let me take this off because that is gross. It's nail surface cleanser. There's a 2-in-1 formula. So this is a nail surface cleanser and a nail extension gel slip solution. Okay, so I'm guessing this is what you're going to use to help you move this around, because this stuff could be very sticky. I've never used polygel, so this is going to be the first. I'm excited. Okay, and it came with 2 polygel colors. This is in the color Bud. Yeah. Ooh, child. I don't know if you guys could see that. Hold on. This color is bright. This camera is not doing it justice. Hold on. Like, yo. So, oh my god, this one is so pretty. It's like this is color in the color Bloom. It's literally like a bloom color. Like, it's so pretty. It's like almost nudish. I don't know, man. I don't know how to explain this. This camera is not picking up this color very well, but it's so pretty. If you guys hear talking, it's because I'm in my studio and another girl is here, so her and her client are probably, you know, kicking it up in her room. So yeah, excuse that, please. And it came with a top coat and a base coat. So just, you know, I've never used their products before, so this is gonna be the first. Depending on how this goes, if I like it, I might end up buying more polygels, because y'all, working with acrylic on yourself is so much work. Like, so if this is easier, I might just end up doing this on myself. Comes with a nail file. It's a 100, 180, so you could definitely work with this on your nails, on your natural nails. So I'm gonna use this to prep my nails. Like I said, I'm gonna use everything in this kit to do my nails. So, oh, it's a double-sided brush. So that was scary. Sorry, y'all. This I'm guessing this is where I would play with the polygel, and then this is where I would. This is the side I would scoop the polygel off of. Y'all, this is my first time doing this, and it came with the UV lamp. I'm gonna have to find somewhere to set this up because I don't, my outlet plugs, they don't reach far. Like, it doesn't, I don't think it's gonna reach. So I have to find a way to set it up. Ooh, and underneath here, this is the plug for the Makartt UV LED light, and then the dual forms. So yeah, this is gonna be exciting. So guys, I'm just gonna jump right into this video. It's just gonna be a quick little music over the video. Nothing big. I'm just doing like a quick demo on how to use this. You guys, I was struggling the whole time because I'm not used to using gel. I don't use gel often, but yeah, just let me know what you guys think down below, and don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Please share, it helps me a lot. And yeah, thank you.